Okay, so the first number you asked for was number 32. So for number 32, it says a student used a calculator to divide a number by 1/3. So remember, when we divide by 1/3, we're really multiplying by 3. What the student really meant to do was multiply by 9. Which of the following operations can be performed to produce the intended result? So if we multiplied by 3, but we really wanted to multiply by 9, if we multiply by 3 again, that will give us a total of 9. Okay. So the next number that you wanted was number 40. Okay. So for number 40, we have 5 2/3 divided by 2 1/2. So 5. Oop. Let's stop this for a second. So 5 2/3 divided by 2 1/2. So I'm going to change them to improper fractions first. So 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17 over 3. And then 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 divided by 2. And when I divide by a fraction, I'm really multiplying by the reciprocal. So 2 times 17 is 34. 3 times 5 is 15. So then we say, how many times can 15 go into 34? 15 can go into 34 2 times with 4/15 left over. Okay, the next number that we wanted was 43. Okay. So for 43, what is the value of y? Okay, so what's the best way to do this? So this line is parallel to this line, and this transversal is cutting it, which means that this angle and this whole angle is equal. 84 plus 2x plus x equals 180. So we have to solve for that first. So 84 plus 3x equals 180. Subtract 84 from both sides. So 180 minus 84 is 96. So then you get 3x equals 96. So x will be equal to 32. So now I know that this is 32. So 84 plus 32 is 116, which is what y is going to end up being, and I'll show you why. So you had this triangle here. This was 36. This was 84. Which means that this little part here was 64, and we're looking for this. And these two angles have to be 180. And 180 minus 64 is 116. So 116 was your answer for that one. Okay, the next one is number 47. Okay, the community pool has a capacity of 50,000 gallons. Okay, it's leaking at a rate of 450 gallons per day. Remember, whenever you see that per day thing, that means that that's your m, your slope. This is linear. Okay? They gave you the equation here. Okay? So which of the following statements is true? G is dependent because the volume is dependent on the number of days. That's true, because remember, this is y equals mx plus b, and this is always going to be the dependent, and this is always going to be the independent value. G is independent, not true. D is dependent, not true. D is the x, it's the independent. And if you go through the rest of them, they're all going to be untrue, because this is the one that's true. Okay, the next one is number 49. Okay. So, answer the question below by clicking the correct. Okay, so if 1/7 x minus 2 equals 1, then x is. So 1/7 x minus 2 equals 1. So I'm going to do what's called clearing the fraction by multiplying everything by 7. So I get x minus 14 equals 7. And I add 14 to both sides, and x should be 21. Okay, the next one you want is 50. Okay.
I'll be the rich. I'll be in shipping. I got one house in shipping.
Okay, so to find the median,
All right, be right there.
you want to list the numbers from least to greatest first. So the smallest number is 50, then 65, 70, 70, 75, 70, 70, 75. Okay, then 85. I'm messing this one up already. Okay, so 50, 65, 70, 70, 75, 85, 95, then 125, 130, 100, 125, 130, and 140. Okay, so I got them all. Now I'm just going to cross off until I get to the middle. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. 85 is the middle. The next number you want is 51. Okay, which of the following numbers is between 3 1/4 and 3 5/8? Okay, so 3 1/4 is 3.25, and 3 1/8, or sorry, 3 5/8 is 3.625. So you're going to turn these all into decimals and see which one is between them. Okay, and then the last one that you want is 56. Okay, an equation is shown. What is the solution to the equation? Okay, so 3x plus 4/5 equals 7 minus 2x. So I'm going to clear the fraction again by multiplying everything by 5. Sorry, by 5. So I get 15x plus 4 equals 35 minus 10x. Okay, I'm going to add 10x to both sides. I get 25x, and I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides, and I get 31. So x should be equal to 31 over 25. Right?